meaning of x and arrow a लेखेछ भने यसमा what is the meaning of this symbol? So let's first consider some examples like if x is equal to, if we put what we put, let x be the values of like 0.5. if we consider if x is approaches 1 and त्यसपछि 1.9 and त्यसपछि के गर्ने, increasing the 9 numbers, what will happen? Increasing 9, 1 2 3 4, increasing 9. So if we increase here from here, increasing the number of 9, this value n terms will be nearly approaches to 2, or their difference between 2 and this value 2 and x, the difference between x and 2 will be small, okay, will be small. So if we increase the number of nines, it approaches to 2, but does not exactly equal to 2, but approximately or nearly very close to 2, but never goes to exactly 2. So this is called x approaches to 2. X approaches to 2. Now this, and what will happen if we increase the number of nines, that their difference between 2 and n terms, that is x and 2 will goes to very small or sufficiently small पनि भनिन्छ, sufficiently small हुन जान्छ. Again, if we put x is equal to 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, 2.0001, again 2.00001. In this way, if we increasing the 0 and putting 1 at last, it will approximately equals to 2, but x will be always greater than 2, but not not exactly 2. It will never come to 2, but very close to. If we increase the number of 0 in between here, so x very close to 2, but never equals to 2. So here x is also close to 2 or approaches to 2. So this is the meaning of x. And so x and a. So what we calculate, if a is a constant number, any constant number, and if we increase the difference, if the numerical difference between x and a goes to sufficiently small, what if goes to numerical difference between x and a goes to sufficiently small, then what will x approaches a, but never equals to a. So यसमा के हुन्छ भने, अब यो सिम्बललाई के भनिन्छ, यो यस्तो भयो भने यो सिम्बललाई के भनिन्छ, x is read as x tends to a, or x approaches to a भनेर पढिन्छ. So this is the meaning of x tends to a. Again, initiative idea of limit कसरी आयो त भने, if we अब यो सर्कल भयो, this is a circle, and there are number of polygons inscribed in this circle, and if we increase the number of sides of polygon, then let first of all 3 and then 4 and then 5 and then 6. If we increasing the number of sides of polygon, then their sides or area of polygons nearly equals to circles. If we nearly equals to circle does not equals to exactly to the circle area of the circle. So here what is happening here, let an be the area of circle, an be the area of circle, and if we increasing the number of side, if fn is function fn is the function an. Now if fn tends to, let here के हुन्छ यसमा भने limit of n tends to infinity, means if we takes the large values of n, that is n represents number of sides, then this fn tends to exactly an, nearly limiting value. This will be the limiting value of fn. Again, if fn is any function, then अब के गर्ने f1 is equal to 0.9, then f2 is equal to 0.99, त्यस्तै गरेर अब f3 is equal to 0.99, त्यस्तै गरेर यदि if we increase very large number of 9 or we increasing the number of 9, then fn at last fn is equal to 0.999 and 9 हैन. अब जतिवटा n हो त्यतिवटा 9 थप्दै जाने हो भने nth टर्ममा के हुन जान्छ त fn को भ्यालु भेरी क्लोज टु 1 हुन जान्छ. सो लिमिट n टेन्ड्स टु इन्फिनिटी के हुन्छ, n को धेरै लार्ज नम्बर भयो भने fn टेन्ड्स टु, त्यसको fn को भ्यालु कति हुन जान्छ, लिमिट 1 सम्म जान सक्छ. नेक्स्ट अर्को के छ भने त्यसैमा यदि if we are series if we 1/2 1/4 if we increasing this sequence, in this sequence in every terms यसको आधी हुँदै जान्छ हैन, in every terms it goes on half. So what will be the nth term? It will nearly equals to nth term. If nth is tends to infinity, then this let this function will be tends to 1. What? 0. Sorry, 0. It goes to 0. If we increasing this number nth term, this if n tends to infinity, then this value nth term will be 0.